Hi student, most welcome on my channel Light of Asia. So after the end of the syllabus discussion of two subjects, zoology and botany, paper first, second, third of the zoology and paper first, second, third of the botany. Remain the chemistry is also the discuss when I have the well time the topic zoology paper first. Many student was asking, will you teach in Hindi medium also? So I am clear that mostly I am teach you in English. Sometimes we use the language of Hindi because I think BSc doing in English is better than the Hindi due to the some terminologies as well as not clear that in Hindi while mostly cleared in English. तो आप लोगों को बता देना चाहता हूं कि हिंदी और अंग्रेजी दोनों में पढ़ाएंगे, लेकिन मैं मोस्टली इंग्लिश में पढ़ाऊंगा. फर्स्ट ईयर एंड सेकेंड ईयर इट विल आल्सो syllabus and topics is complete, but it will spend a long time. So please don't wait first year and second year. But after 1 year, I'm complete first year and second year and third year also. Today we will start molecular biology. Under this, first topic is eukaryotic genome organization. Eukaryotic genome is very peculiar and is very complex structure. Therefore, eukaryotic genome is called the unique structure. Unique meaning in Hindi is anupam, ananya, anokha. So we will discuss. Let's one by one. This is the introduction. So definition of eukaryotic genome. The genome is all genetic information of an organism. The studying of genome is called genomics. The genome includes both genes and non-coding DNA as well as mitochondrial DNA and chloroplast DNA. Chloroplast have only plant cell. In animal and human being does not occupy. You pause the video and you can note it. Let's come. We discuss few terminologies used in this definition and conclusion. Where the terminologies? Suppose that gene and non-coding DNA and mitochondrial DNA and chloroplast DNA. So one by one. Gene. When sequencing well known, the definition of eukaryotic genome use the terminology gene. What is the meaning of gene? And use the terminology non-coding DNA. Those DNA are non-coded. Is called non-coding DNA. While those DNA Decoded, it means known the coding. Known the coding. It means known the gene have what types of information. What type of information is called gene. Point number 2, origin of term genome. The genome term created by Hans Winkler in AD 1920. The genome derived from two words one gene and second one chromosome. The genome plus the first 3 letter of the gene and last 3 letter of chromosome. Such name comes from. Who's the coined this term? Hans Winkler. Point 3, general introduction of prokaryotic genome. While not need here in this topic, but a general introduction, the genome of prokaryotic organisms generally is a circular double-stranded piece of DNA. Multiple copies of which may exist at any time. It means the prokaryote cell have DNA circular double-stranded piece of DNA. It means cut this circular DNA, this piece showing the double-stranded DNA, and multiple copies in a cell. Suppose that this is the prokaryotic cell. The circular DNA may be copies of 2 or more than 2. It means a prokaryotic cell have a more DNA, double stranded and circular. Examples of prokaryotic genome and prokaryotic cell and prokaryotic organisms: blue, green, algae. Bacteria. Please don't confuse. Bacteria include in prokaryote or eukaryotes. Bacteria completely include in prokaryote. Mycoplasma, etc. Mycoplasma is lowest animal, mostly aquatic. All prokaryotic organisms have prokaryotic genome. Pause the video. You can. Number 4. General introduction of viral genome. While it is also the not need here. General introduction I am giving you. The virus are considered neither in eukaryotes nor prokaryotes. It means it is the showing some character of prokaryote and some character of eukaryotes. So therefore virus did not included in both of you. So because the viral genome are versatile structures showing. How? Since they can be DNA or RNA. Virus carry as a genetic material, as a gene, either DNA or RNA, but did not both. Only one, either DNA or RNA, single or double stranded DNA or RNA, single or double stranded genetic material, and linear or circular. So vary in length of the DNA. So you can see very easy both the characters showing eukaryotic and prokaryotic. So virus neither including eukaryotes and nor including prokaryotes. So student, if you want to further knowing about this topic, you sustain on my channel.